Hello everybody, this is David. Welcome back to my channel. Well, this video is going to be doing a small repair on the motorbike. When I went out for a ride on Saturday, I ended up with a puncture, so today we're going to be repairing the puncture and I want to show you how it's done. So come over here and I'll show you the hole in the tyre. There, look at that. There's a huge hole in the tyre. So that's what we've got to get repaired today. So first thing to do is to get the wheel off. So this bracket here has to come off first. So we'll just take that off first and then we've got access to get the wheel out. There's room to get the wheel out. So there's two bolts here. Put them in a tray so I don't lose them. Put that over there. Got to get this small bolt off here. This is the cover for the locking wheel nut for the. So inside here there's a small circlip that's got to come out. So there it is. And we can get this out, which is holds the. Here's my big Allen key. So this will be fun. There we are. That wasn't too hard, was it? So just twist that off. There's the wheel off. So what we'll do now, we'll take it to my mechanic, see if he can do it. If not, we'll have to go and buy a puncture repair kit and I'll do it myself. So let's go and put it in the car. So here it is in the back of the car. So let's go. We've got to go to Oxford, unfortunately, to see my mechanic. Hopefully he's there. Okay, if you're ready, shall we go? Let's not forget the seatbelt. Let's go. So Chris wasn't there. I wasn't sure because last time I saw him he was moving his premises. I'm not been able to get hold of him, so I guess he's busy. So I've had to go to a shop and here it is. So this will be the first time I've ever done that. Probably the first time you've ever seen anyone do it as well. So it's the first time for both of us. So I'm going to go back home now. I'll see you at home and we'll get started. Okay, so let's have a look to see what's in the kit. So I'll just take the cover off. I did this earlier on. So we have this tool to make the hole, widen the hole out, roughen the edges, give it the glue and the rest of it something to stick to. This is the application tool, and these are, let's have a look, these are the plugs. There's 5, so hopefully I never have to use this again, but if I do then that's fine. And this is the cement, so that's good. So okay, let's give this a go. Now for the moment of truth. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Come on. Maybe the hole's not big enough. Oh, yeah. There we are. Maybe I was pushing it the wrong way. There we are. There we are. Well, that wasn't very easy, was it? So it's on. I'll get that cement time to go off, and then we'll trim this off and then go and inflate the tyre and get the wheel back on. Okay, so we're back in the car again. We've now got to go and get the tyre inflated. I don't actually have my own airline. I'll have to buy one, won't I? And I'll see you at the airline. So here we are. It's a free airline, so there's usually a bit of a queue, but luckily there's only 2 vehicles in front of us today. That guy, the black car, has just finished, luckily. So then it's this van, then it'll be us. Well, it sounds like we've got a leak, so I don't think this plug has worked. So let's just keep going and see what happens. So this plug hasn't worked. You can hear the air leaking out from there. Well, new tyre needed. So that's the end of the road as far as this tyre is concerned. I'll need to put a new tyre on. In fact, I'll change both tyres because they're both the same age. So I'll just put everything back together so I don't lose anything. So anyway, that's the end of that. A little bit disappointing that the plug didn't work. I wasn't really sure whether it would while I was doing it because I could see the metal bands in the tyre, so I wasn't sure whether it would work or not, and it obviously hasn't. That's fair enough. It was worth a try. So new tyres needed. I'll put 2 new tyres on because they're both the same age, and for as far as road safety is concerned, I'll change both tyres. So I want to thank you for joining me in this video. The next video you see of the bike should have 2 new tyres on. So looking forward to that so I can get out and make the most of this beautiful weather. So see you next time. Bye bye.